This passive income method has an insane 300% APR. For example, if you invested $1,000 today, you'll have another $100 in just 10 days. Make sure to watch until the end so I can show you how to triple your initial investment. Alright, so the website of where you can earn 300% APR is called Financial. I have the link in the description if you want to go and have a look at the website while I explain, but I suggest you just keep watching. So let me just tell you about Financial before we start. Financial started out as a node service and recently hit their node cap. If you don't know what nodes are where you stake your crypto and you get a passive income back. The thing is that these aren't your normal crypto nodes. These didn't actually do anything for the blockchain. Oh, my light just died. Nodes are where you stake your crypto and you get a passive income back. The thing about these nodes not being normal nodes is that they aren't your usual nodes of where you actually earn money back and validate transactions on the blockchain. These are just nodes that you call them nodes because they're similar in the sense of giving people passive income. What you do is you stake your crypto and then they give you passive income as they put them in vaults and have different methods of getting money back. They take a profit and give you a percentage back. Obviously, some nodes are very profitable as they were offering around 350% APR with the nodes, as that's pretty good. And if you compound it, you could be earning like $25,000 in just a year of an initial investment of like $4,000. But the thing is that those nodes have ended as they want sustainability. Now, Comb is actually a very sustainable project and they're completely focusing on sustainability as they change to liquidity farms and auto compounders so they can be much more sustainable, as nodes really is not a good plan for the long term. So if you're not familiar what liquidity farms are or auto compounders, it's where you add liquidity to a coin and they give you a percentage back. It's passive income again. And some of these farms are the farms that actually give you the 300% APR. So you must be wondering, what is something that's actually the best thing? They're actually creating their own metaverse. Now, if you don't think that's actually a very good idea, now let's just think, what aren't they doing? They're doing so many good things that are actually going to sustain the project. Here's a little example of the metaverse itself. Now, that is actually pretty cool of how they're going to have different variations and it's going to be... Okay, so metaverse aside, they've actually have their own Fantom validator that they're actually going to start earning money from. Here it is right here. Now, I'm not going to explain what it does, but feel free to go research it in your free time. Alright, so now without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial of how you can invest in it. If you already have MetaMask installed and have the Fantom Network on your MetaMask, then skip to this time. But if you don't, keep on watching. Alright, so to invest in Comb, you're going to need the MetaMask Chrome extension. If you don't know what MetaMask is, quick explanation. It's literally just like a wallet, a hot wallet, so it's always connected to the internet, and it's browser extension wallet that let's just say it's very useful. So you want to go to the description and you can download it. This is the link here if you don't already have it. But what you do is go to the website, click download, and it will bring you here. And then you want to select your browser. As you can see, I have Chrome. So you just want to go and then select your browser and click install MetaMask for that browser. It should do everything automatically. Just sign up, and then once you've signed up, you should be ready to carry on. Alright, now once you've installed the MetaMask extension into your browser, you just want to click on its logo, and then you want to add the Fantom Network. By default, you'll be on the Ethereum network, but let me show you how to create the Fantom Network. The first thing you want to do is you want to click on where it says Ethereum mainnet. Then you want to click add network, and it should take you here. For network name, you want to enter Fantom. I have all these details in the description if you want to copy and paste it. I suggest you do just so make sure you don't make any mistakes, but let's get on with it. For the new RPC URL, you want to type this. Ignore this little pop-up. It won't be there for you if you don't have the Fantom Network. It's only there because I have it already installed. Chain ID must be 250. The currency symbol will be FTM. And the block explorer URL, it's optional, but I suggest you do it anyways. That's that, the FTM scan. Just copy this and put it down and then click save. Should do it immediately, and I can't do it because I already have it installed. But once you've done that, all you want to do is go to your extension, switch to the Fantom Network, copy your address, and then deposit some Fantom there. If your exchange doesn't allow you to withdraw Fantom, KuCoin, Binance, there's tons of exchanges that can. So just get one of those and send it over to your MetaMask. Once you've done that, you want to click on the Comb link in the description, and it should take you to the pool website. Then you just want to click in a button here. It should say something connect. Then you want to connect your wallet and allow anything that it asks for, and you should be ready. The link should take you to the farm section of the Comb Financial website. This is where you can invest your coins. Just click approve, and then you can do zap. For example, I'm going to show you how to do it. Ignore this error. So what you want to do is you want to click approve. Then it should do a little pop-up. Click confirm. The transaction will be submitted, and you have to wait until it's done. And there you go, it's been successfully approved. Now this little Zap logo should pop up. All you want to do is just click on it. I'm going to do Comb because that's actually what I want to put in. Here I have 478 Fantom. I'm just going to deposit 10 because this is just an example. Just click Zap and then click Confirm Zap, and then a MetaMask notification should pop up. Just click Confirm, and that's it. You've invested your Fantom into your pool and you're good. Now just sit back and relax and take those rewards. As you can see, successfully zapped. Just close it, let it load, and there you go. As you can see, I have 0.45 of my balance staked, and now I'm going to be earning that sweet interest. Ignore this little 0.09. That takes a little bit of time to load, but you know what? Let's get into the next part. That could earn you even more. I know that sounds crazy because you're already earning 273% a year, and now let me show you the compounders. Right now there's this thing called Tomb to FTM, and this is a liquidity protocol. What you want to do is it's a little bit more complicated, but this is really nice because it gets you a nice 1.1% a day. Now if you don't think that's a lot, let me explain. In a normal savings banking account, you only earn 7% a year. You know what? Let me show you how to do it. Just want to click add liquidity. It's not that difficult, to be honest. And it should take you to SpookySwap. All you want to do is you want to connect your wallet to SpookySwap. I already have it connected. And I just want to click on your Fantom, change it to however much you want. I'm actually going to put quite a bit. Let's put 150 Fantom. And as you can see, I have an insufficient account. As you can see, I have an insufficient amount of I don't have enough of the currency. So what you want to do is you want to go to swap, then you want to go to your Fantom. You want to put, so as you see, if I put 150 Fantom, I need 741 Tomb. So now let's swap some of our Fantom into Tomb. My current balance is 554. Let me pull out the calculator. 750 minus 554, 196. That's how much I need. Let's swap. Change here, 196. And as you can see, I'm doing this wrong, so you just gotta switch it to Tomb, and there you go. Now I just want to click swap, then scroll down and confirm, and there you go. Now the transaction has been submitted. Just gotta wait until it's done, and then I should be able to add liquidity. Let me just check my wallet to see if it's done. Oh, there you go. It's done. It's been swapped. Okay, so now you want to go back and just click add liquidity. You want to click, I'm going to do 150 Fantom, and you just want to click supply, maybe. Okay, there you go. Now I just want to click supply. Might take a little bit to work. Supply, and transaction submitted. Just wait a couple seconds. Fantom Network is pretty fast in my opinion. Not like Bitcoin taking 10 hours now. Oh, there you go. Done. Right before I'm even done speaking. So you already know. So, and there you just could refresh the page. And as you can see, it's been deposited, and now I'm about to be making some bank. So trust me, I've already withdrawn some money. Already withdrawn 11 of this stuff. Don't even know, bro. All I know is that I've withdrawn it and it's factually working. All right. Now you might be wondering, the compounders, amazing. The farm, great. Now what's the best? You want to know the best. Now let me show you the best of the best. Although the compounders might be getting you the best amount of money, it may be a bit more risky than the others because you're not investing in any stable coins. I mean, not stable coins, but fairly stable coins. You know, more stable than others, you know what I mean? So the best thing if you're wanting to invest in risky and stable mixed together is Zcomb. Now I might be wondering, what is Zcomb? Zcomb is like the second version of Comb. But what it does is if you lock your money and you stake it, and then you get the percentage of all those pools together. So imagine all of those vaults and all of that money, and you get tons of it back, and you barely put anything in. I locked around at $900. That was only like 3 days ago, and now I've already made $24.50. If you don't tell me that's pretty a nice amount of money, especially for my age. And then you can just click claim, and it all works. All right, guys, let me just go in a little bit more depth, just in case you want to know about the nodes. So as you can see, I did get in before the node cap of 747. I think they are giving a few special nodes to certain people who are winning something. I'm not sure, but I did get in. I got the cheapest one and the second cheapest one. I'm earning around $14 a day. I mean, it's not the greatest, but you know, passive income is still passive income. And when I was doing it, I did the calculations and I didn't calculate in no node cap. So if I was going to compound it in literally just a year, I'll be earning $25,000 a month. Now, if you don't think that's cool, it's pretty a nice amount of money. I'm sure you must be kicking yourself at the thought of missing out on comb nodes, but you don't need to worry, as I've made this video on Thor nodes that could literally be making you $100,000 a month in just a year. That's complete passive income. No need to worry about anything. But that's only if you invest now.